Good morning students. Already we have seen super senses and I have given a question to you. What are the smells do you like and what are the smells don't you like? Is it? So now we are going to see animal super senses. Okay. Did you recognize an ant while going to search of food or anywhere? See, they are explaining here. Let us read. How did the ant recognize a friend? An ant was going along on the ground. Definitely ant everything will go on together. It go by line. Is it? So it saw a group of ants coming from the other side. If one ant goes, definitely another ant also will come another side. That's what explaining here. The first ant quickly came back to its hole. The ant got in the hole, recognized it and let it in. So any one of the ant will got them, will suppose them. We have to move like this way only, like that. Okay. So how it is the stiffing sense? Let's what explaining in the next paragraph. See here. Think and tell. How did the ant know what the other ants were not from its group? Some other ants it's not a group, but it will add together with that. Is it? So that is the question here. How did the god ant recognize this ant? For a soldier ant, that is the god ant, it was helping all those ant groups. Okay. See the next one. Try this and write. Drop some sugar, jaggery or anything sweet on the ground. Wait until the ants come there. Definitely if we have a sweet anything on the floor, ant will come surely. So how did the ants taking the food? Everything they are asking the questions here. How long did it take for the ants to come? It takes 20 minutes for the ants. Definitely each ants to save the food, it takes 20 minutes. Did one ant come first or a group of ants came together? Yes, ants everything come to be together. What did the ants do with the food? The ant save and keep the food into a hole. Where do they go from there? They usually carry the foods into the hole. Do they move in a line? Yes, every ants move in a line. See here. Now carefully, without harming the ants, block their path for a while path, a pencil. Now observe. How do the ants move? If we block a line of an ant, suddenly it will go another way and it will take next line of a walk. So the ants moves in the line. Many years ago, a scientist did many experiments like this. He found out that as the ants move, they leave a smell on the ground. The other ants follow the smell to find the way. So if one ant, if we move from a line, another ants can smell. With their smell sense, it will be used to follow the line. This is the science truth. Now, can you guess why the ants behave like that? When you block their path, if you block, already I said if you block a line of ant, suddenly it will change the path of a line and it will go together and it is not getting any panic of the keeping your food. Is it? So they are asking the question like this only here. Some male insects can recognize their females by their smell. So ant, how can that recognize with that? By its smell sense. Okay. See, next about our mosquitoes they are giving. Have you ever been troubled by mosquitoes? Definitely, everybody will getting troubled with mosquitoes because of its biting. It's biting. So, mosquitoes have a strong sense of smell. They can also sense the heat from our body. Whenever it feels the heat from our body, it will bite. Mosquitoes can find you by the smell of your body. They also find you by the smell of the sole of your feet and the heat of your body. Have you seen a dog sniffing here and there? Sniffing means mopasakti. Have you seen a dog sniffing here and there? What do you think it's trying to smell? Do you know one thing? When it's getting a smell sense by its urine pauses or else any human being walkable feet, walkable that moment, by its that it can observe the sniffing sense with human. If any stranger come to our street, it can recognize very easily by its sniffing sense. Dogs mark out their own area on the road. They can make out if another dog has come into their area by the smell of its urine or potty. Potty means latrine. It is a liquid of a dog. Turn the next page. In what ways do human beings make use of this special sense of smell of dogs? Find a criminal. What are the smell of dogs we are using? Especially find out criminals only. So for find out of criminals, we can recognize the bomb explosives for by the time we are using the dog. How it is the dog get the smell? By its sniffing sense. Next, name the animals that you would be able to recognize by their smell without seeing them. We can't see them, but how can you some animals recognize our things? We can recognize animals like dogs and cows and fish by the smell they give out. We can recognize what are the animals we are living into our home. Every animal has some sense and have some smell. Within the smell, we can recognize what are the animals inside into the home or anywhere. We can recognize that one. This is already I gave the work. What are the smells do you like? What are the smells don't like? We have done that work. See the next page. Page number 5. Why so? C is Rajni. Okay. She has her sister baby. His name is Deepak. He has given some disgusting smell. How she is covering her nose. Because of our smelling sense, it will help to smell disgusting, however, whatever it is. So, how she is doing here. That's what explaining in this paragraph. See here. Today, Rajni had to go out for some important work. She had to leave her 6-month-old son, Deepak, with her sister, Susila. So, who is the mother of this Deepak? Susila. Susila also has a baby of the same age. So, Susila has a 2 baby. It was funny that both the babies did potty at the same time. Potty means that bombing. Okay. Bomb smell we are telling no. Like our language. That's that. She happily cleaned her daughter. But when she was cleaning her sister's son's Deepak, she covered her nose with her dupatta or scarf. So, she cleaned the baby, but she couldn't adjust the smell of disgusting. So, she covered her nose with her dupatta. Think and discuss. Sushila covered her nose when she cleaned Deepak's nappy, but not when she cleaned her daughter. Why do you think she did this? Because she didn't like the smell. So that she covered her nose while cleaning the Deepak's nappy. How do you feel when you walk near a heap of garbage? Near heap of garbage means kuppai totti pakkathula. Okay, while you are crossing the time, if you feel the garbage smell, how do you feel? Do you like the smell? Definitely we should not like the smell. That's the answer here. Is the smell good or bad for everyone in the same way? Or does it depend on how each one feels about it? Do you like what are the good smell? What are the bad smell for any time? So, how do you feel about it? You have to describe that one. Okay, students, turn the next page. Let's see. Write the names of a bird which has eyes in front of its head. Did you want any animals? Example for hen, cock, anything. For it's attached to her eyes, its neck, everything together. It can't move. But why it is? Because of it has to focus of their prey very pure and eagerly minute. Okay, so that only they are having a look of their face to be straight ahead. So see here, let's start explaining here. See the cock and hen, anything. Hereafter you to watch into your home. See, they are having a head, eyes, everything. But it can move only. But it can't turn their head anywhere. So, why it is? Because of it has to minutely watch for his prey. So that only they are giving this. Okay, let's read this. Write the name of a bird which has eyes in front of its head, like in humans. Which bird has eyes in front of its head? Write the names of some birds which have eyes on neither sides of the head. What is the size of their eyes as compared to the size of their head? For example, vulture, eagle, it has the eyes near to the head, but it was compared to their head, it is too small. Okay, that's the answer for these questions. Most of the birds have their eyes on either side of a head. Yes, some birds, some animals also have either sides of eyes. Their eyes can focus on two different things at a time. When they look straight ahead, both their eyes focus on the same object. While flying session, did you watch any eagle or vulture? It will focus on any prey under the floor, under the ground. So it will 10 or 15 rounds it will be take that, and then it catch the prey. You must have seen birds moving their neck very often. So do you know why? In the most of the birds' eyes are fixed and cannot move. So birds have to turn their heads to see around. Already I said to you, and that's what explaining in this paragraph. Definitely some birds can't